really love rice too much. Like all the carbs are not good for me. But I'm gonna try this stuff.
Jajangmyeon is good. Like the black noodles. Like bean noodles, I guess.
Yeah.
That's good. Especially if you've got like the sweet and sour,
The pork. Yeah.
That's probably the most popular takeout dish in Korea.
Probably because there's so many like 24-hour
You know, you get the kimchi jajangmyeon set.
and it's really cheap.
Yeah. Again, probably not.
It's like a lot of my friends that come from the States are like, yo, we need to get jajangmyeon. It's like, dude, you know, there's like a lot of places that like are better than eating that. Like it's kind of like that's kind of like what you just eat when you're like you're kind of tired. You just want something really quick.
Yeah.
It's like a really easy kind of comfort food. They're just like, yo, because there's not that many good places, at least in Atlanta.
Right. I think that's a common theme though. Like wherever you go, like if